I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. For a recent project, I updated a Word document, replacing text manually formatted with the Courier font with text formatted in Times New Roman italic. A word appeared like this, and it needed to become this. But not for every instance of the Courier font, so I had to skip over some, and it was a tedious process, but it's something that Word can do. These are character formats, not styles. If they were styles, I could just modify the style, and presto, all the styles in the Courier font would be replaced with Times New Roman italic in one swift operation. So to make the replacement, I use the replace command in a special mode that searches for and replaces text attributes. This process can get complex, so it's easy to mess up. Press the Ctrl-H keyboard shortcut to summon the Find and Replace dialog box. For this operation, leave the Find What and Replace With boxes blank. You're working with attributes and not text. Click the More button and ensure that the cursor is blinking in the Find What box. Keep it blank, but click that Format button menu thing. Choose Font, and for the font name, I'm going to choose Courier New, and then Regular, which signifies no other basic attributes like italics, bold, and those other things. This is the text I'm searching for, plain old Courier New text. OK. And you can see the text Courier New, not bold, not italic, which is what Word is going to search for. On to the replacement. Same thing, click in the Replace With box, Format, Font, and now I'm going to choose Times New Roman, italic. OK. To review, Word will search for any Courier New text that's not bold or italic and replace this text with Times New Roman font italic. So find Next, and here's the first bit of text found. I'll click Replace, and so on, though not every instant needed to be replaced, which is why I was frustrated in this project. In these instances, I would just click Find Next instead of clicking Replace. One important thing. When you're done with this operation, remember to clear the formatting. Click in the Find What box, No Formatting button. Ditto for Replace With, no formatting. The reason is that these attributes hang on to the Find and Replace operation, which can frustrate you. So remember to clear the formatting before you perform another Find or Find and Replace. But what about styles? Well, here's the same document, but the Courier New text you see is formatted that way with a character style. To make this change, I will modify the style. That's all I need to do. So let me pull up the Styles pane for convenience. And you can see the current style is highlighted. Hover the mouse to see the menu button. Click it and choose Modify. Now I can make my changes here. So I can reset the font to Times New Roman, Simple, and choose Italic. Now these items present themselves immediately in the Modified Style dialog box, and if I didn't see them there, I could click the Format menu button thing and choose the more detailed options, but I don't need to, so I'm just going to confirm the change and click OK, and the job is handled in one action, as opposed to a complex search and replace. Once again, Word proves how worthy it is to create a style as opposed to formatting stuff on the fly. Refer to my Word books for more details.